Made her go into Orgia mode. Yeah, like I said, some characters got a very big overhaul and some characters didn't. Jesus. The high counter. I guess it would be cool if they add the technical system from Persona 5 to Persona 4, but I don't know if they would do that, because that was like something special for that game. That's my only kind of thing. I do like the technical system because it does give a lot more strategy and more use for other characters, but they probably won't do that.